staring at the pouring rain, falling down like lonely teardrops, memories of loving days. These cloudy days, they make you wanna cry. It breaks your heart when someone leaves and you don't know why. I can see that you've been hurt. Maybe I've been lonely too. I've been out here lost and searching, looking for a girl like you. Now I believe the sun is gonna shine. Don't you be afraid to love again. Put your hand in mine, baby. I would never make you cry. I would never make you blue. I would never let you down. I would never be untrue. I know a place where we can go, where true love always stays. There's no more stormy nights, no more cloudy days. I believe in second chances. I believe in angels too. I believe in new romances. Baby, I believe in you. These cloudy days are coming to an end. You don't have to be afraid to fall in love again. Baby, I would never make you cry. I would never make you blue.
The wheels of life are turning so much faster. The restless hands of time pass me by. And there are dreams I'll never live to see. But as long as you believe in me, I'll still feel them all the way. As I take life day by day. Oh, the wheels of time are turning so much stronger. The blues of days gone by weigh me down. But maybe love will come to rescue me, and I'll never ever set you free. Like the sea runs to the shore, I've come back to you once more. The wheels of life, 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 the wheels of And if I should have only one tomorrow, it's a lifetime if I knew I could spend that day with you. Ooh, the wheels of love will turn my world forever. I want you in my arms for all time. Maybe love will come to rescue me, and I'll never ever set you free. Like the sea runs
You'll hear a single chime when that sign is turned off. That's your indication that it's safe to unbuckle, move about the cabin, and collect your personal belongings. If you left anything plane inside when you boarded Seattle, those items will be brought around to the front of the aircraft. As you exit from the back boarding house, please walk over toward the red and white platform where it is all about personnel on board for frequency. Your luggage will be available inside as you go through the customs and immigration. Morning. If you have any questions or concerns, if you're making a
When I
connection,
was at the smokers
reminder the routes not spoken, please remain clear in the designated location. On behalf of Horizon Air, your Portland-based crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. A special thank you to our MVG
I'm a direct TV dealer.
members for your continued loyalty. To all of you, it was a pleasure.
One down, one to go. Another time.
This was filmed in Super 8 film, so that's how vintage it is and how talented we were. And apparently,
Tell me if my head's in your way. My hair, you know.
okay, we're ready to roll here, I think. Can we have someone grab the lights, girl? Thank you. Without further ado, here we go. Okay, that's enough. That was our talented drama class. And for a special treat tonight, Mr. Mike Solomos performing live. Come on, Mike!
No pressure, eh? No pressure, eh?
That's what our drama class was doing while the rest of us were out having sex.
And that from your local RCMP.
Turn the light on.
I wasn't in it, notice that? I didn't sound right, but anyways.
Turn the light on.
Okay, I think what we're going to do now is we're going to see if we can grab some volunteers to get rid of these 3 tables here, and we'll all smooch up, and then we're going to start some dance music. So rock on, you guys. It was nice. Cholos, stay seated.
What? No, twice.
Well, I could be the king of all the plain. If I was an eagle, or maybe I could fly above the rain, or fly above the pain. But I know I'm only fooling. I said, hey, Sister Moonshine, won't you send me a little sun? I said, hey, Sister Moonshine, I'm a stranger to everyone. Make us all laugh, make us all cry, make us all give, make us all cry. We'll give us a secret, we'll show us the light, we'll strike up the music like a sky.
I'm coming home, baby.
Bye, Joe.
I'm coming home, baby. I'm coming home, baby, now. I'm coming home now, right away. I'm coming home, baby, now. I'm sorry now I ever went away. Every night and day I go and say, I'm coming home. I'm coming home, baby, now. I'm coming home now, real soon. I've been gone. I'm coming home.
Arriving. Stanley Cup playoffs. Calgary 2,